Hi friends. In today's video, I'll show you how to bulk edit product prices in Shopify step by step. This method works perfectly and will save you hours of manual work. We're going to cover two powerful ways. First, how to use the Shopify admin bulk editor to adjust multiple prices at once. And second, how to use an app for bulk price editor to automatically increase or decrease all product prices by a fixed percentage in just one click. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage your Shopify pricing smarter and faster. Part 1. Bulk edit prices using Shopify admin. The first thing you need to do is log into your Shopify admin dashboard as an administrator. Once you're logged in, go to the Products page by clicking on Products on the left-hand side of your screen. It's right between Orders and Customers. Here, you'll see a full list of all your items. To bulk edit prices in Shopify, select the little checkbox at the top to highlight all products. Now click the Bulk Edit button. This will take you to a new editing grid where you can adjust product details, categories, vendors, and most importantly, product prices. You can edit prices one by one, or, just like in Excel, highlight multiple cells and update them all at once. For example, if one product is priced at $150 and another at $200, you can change them both instantly. After editing, hit Save, and your prices are updated across your Shopify store. This is the simplest way to manually bulk edit prices in Shopify. Part 2. Bulk edit prices with an app. Now let's look at an even easier method using an app. If you want to increase or decrease all your product prices by a fixed percentage automatically, you can use a free Shopify app called Bulk Price Editor Sami. Here's how it works. Go to the Shopify App Store and install Bulk Price Editor Sami. The app is free, so no worry for extra charge. Follow on-screen guidance. Once installed, open the app from your Shopify dashboard. Inside the app, here you need to add New Task. Name anything like Increase Price by 5% or other. You'll see options to increase or decrease all product prices by a percentage or a fixed value. For example, if you want to run a store-wide 10% price increase, simply set the percentage to 10% and apply. If you want a discount, you can decrease all prices by 20% in just one click. The app will update every product automatically without you needing to manually edit each item. This is especially useful if you're running sales promotions, seasonal discounts, or bulk price increases for suppliers. And that's it. You now know two ways to bulk edit prices on Shopify: the built-in Shopify Bulk Editor and the Bulk Price Editor Sami app for automatic adjustments. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to like this video, drop a comment below, and subscribe out.